this video, I'm going to show you some of the devices I have to carry when I travel, and I have to obviously charge all of them. And the adapters I used to take with me for international travel. So we have headphones, a drone, GoPro with an external light, a second GoPro, the beacon that controls this drone, the batteries, the controller, obviously the laptop. Oh, I forgot the batteries for the GoPro 11, that's why I have it here marked. And then backup headphones, computer light for shooting, another light for the cameras, external microphones, and all the wires and adapters that you have to take. And all of this, like magic, has to fit in this backpack. Here's some of the cases. So today we're going to see a solution for all this. So this is what I have here. So this is what I got. OneWorld 65W World adapter with 65W USB PD charging station. As you can see here in the box, the packaging, it works in Australia, China, New Zealand, etc., all Europe, North America, the United Kingdom, and because of in South America most of the power outlets are European style, it will work there too. Close it, and then I ripped it off. Okay, here it is. Okay, that's the box, empty, nothing else. It comes with a little bag to carry it. And all the instructions here. Oh wow, look at this. That's the one for Europe and South America, the one for UK, the one for North America. And then here are the plugs to put everything in, USB port, and two of the regular USB ports. So it will work with this one. And the new ones, which are called C, USB-C, goes here. Can also go on the side. So wow, this is going to be really good. I'm going to Europe next week, so I'm going to use it there. And just to show the difference, this is what I used to travel with. So one for this is Europe, and this is the thick one that goes in Europe. You can see the difference. So sometimes this one doesn't work everywhere. And the solution to that is this one, which is multiple. So you plug this in. That's one. There's another one there. There's another one here that already broke, so not very good quality. And this one is for the US. So this one I used to like a lot because obviously serves everything. Was, as you can even hear, there's some pieces broken already in it. So this one, the OneAdaptr, is going to solve all these problems. So this is going to be my new travel companion. Let's put it inside this protective bag. And now the challenge to fit everything in the backpack. Here it is. So there it is, everything is packed. We're ready for the next trip. So here I am in Stuttgart, Germany. I just arrived and now I have my OneWorld 65W adapter connected to the wall, and I'm charging the GoPro, the iPhone, and the computer with one wire, and I still have another USB regular port left and two USB-C, so I could charge even more things with it. For example, so there you go, they're charging my Garmin watch. So highly recommended device for travelers, OneAdaptr OneWorld 65W. Amazing. This is going to be on my back forever. Computer, iPhone, Garmin watch, GoPro camera, and still two ports available. I love it.